Hello everyone, welcome to the Finest Food channel. Hope you all are doing really well. In today's video, we'll be making some delicious honey chili potatoes. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and comment below on this video. Also do not forget to subscribe to this channel for some amazing recipes. So let's begin. Put some water to boil and add 3 to 4 potatoes cut up to pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let the potatoes boil for 5 minutes. Once done, drain the potatoes in another bowl. To the potatoes, add 2 tablespoons cornflour. This will make them crispy when deep fried. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix this very well and make sure potatoes are coated completely. Heat some oil in a pan for deep frying the potatoes. Add the coated potatoes and fry till they are golden and crispy. In another pan, take 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Instead of this, you can also add some chopped pieces of 1-inch ginger and 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. To this, add 1 teaspoon of chilli oil. If you do not have chilli oil, you can use 2 chopped green chilies instead. Saute this well. To this, add 1 to 2 chopped spring onions. Add 1 chopped onion. To this, add 1 teaspoon soya sauce. One teaspoon red chili sauce. 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon tomato ketchup. Mix well. Add salt to taste. To this, you need to add a mixture of 1 tablespoon cornflour and 1/4 cup water. Make sure there are no lumps. The cornflour will make a thick gravy. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. gravy is cooked, add in the potatoes. Coat the potato as well in the gravy. Add spring onion greens in the end. And your honey chili potatoes are ready to be served. You can check out some other recipes by clicking these links. Hope you enjoyed this video.